Smart Herb Garden Showdown. Which one will dominate? Welcome back to Compare and Share. Today, we're diving into the future of gardening, where technology meets fresh, homegrown herbs, and you never have to buy store-bought greens again. Imagine waking up to the aroma of fresh basil, mint, and rosemary, all growing effortlessly in your kitchen. We're putting two of the hottest smart herb gardens to the test: LETPOT LPH-SE, smart automation and sleek design; Ahopegarden Hydroponics System, modular flexibility and long-term plant health. Which one grows faster? Which one is easier to maintain? Which one is worth your money? First impressions and setup. LETPOT LPH-SE is sleek and minimal, designed for next-gen convenience. Ahopegarden has a modular, futuristic design with growth control features. LETPOT wins in ease of setup with plug-and-play functionality. Ahopegarden requires more assembly but offers customization flexibility. Smart features and automation. LETPOT is fully app-controlled, allowing users to adjust lighting, water levels, and nutrient reminders remotely. Ahopegarden includes adjustable LED lights and a built-in timer, but lacks app integration. LETPOT leads in automation, while Ahopegarden focuses on flexible manual control. Growth speed and yield. Identical seeds were planted in both systems, monitored under the same conditions, and tracked weekly. Week 1. LETPOT sprouts 2 days earlier than Ahopegarden. Week 2. LETPOT's basil grows taller, while Ahopegarden's mint has thicker stems but lags in height. Week 4. LETPOT's herbs are lush and thriving, while Ahopegarden's basil is stronger and fuller over time. LETPOT wins on speed and convenience. Ahopegarden delivers sturdier plants for long-term growth. Best deals and where to get them. Before we move on to the final verdict, if you're considering one of these smart herb gardens, check the links in the description for the best available deals and get yours today. Fresh basil, mint, and other greens can now grow effortlessly with the right system. LETPOT LPH-SE, fast growth, smart automation, and app control. Ahopegarden Hydroponics System, stronger plants, long-term sustainability, and manual customization. Your choice depends on whether you prefer smart convenience or hands-on gardening. Check the links in the description for today's best prices and make your pick. User experience and maintenance watering is automated in both systems, eliminating guesswork. LETPOT's app provides remote adjustments, while Ahopegarden uses manual controls. Ahopegarden's modular design makes deep cleaning easy. Which system fits your lifestyle better, automation or hands-on control? Final verdict. LETPOT is fast-growing, hassle-free, and offers full app integration. Ahopegarden provides stronger plants, long-term sustainability, and hands-on customization. Both are excellent choices depending on individual gardening needs. Final thoughts. Now you have seen the comparison, the growth results, and how each system performs, which one is the best for you? LETPOT shines in speed and smart automation. If convenience and quick results matter most, this is the right pick. Ahopegarden focuses on long-term growth. If you prioritize stronger plants and customization, this system is ideal. Thank you for watching. We appreciate every single one of you for tuning in and supporting Compare and Share. Whether you like the video or think we can do better, drop a thumbs up or thumbs down, as long as you give us something. Check the links in the description for the best available deals on these smart gardens. Subscribe for more deep dive comparisons and keep sharing your thoughts. We are here to make reviews better and sharper every time.